Hello guys, my name is Coach Alan. On this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you about variation. So there are four types of variation. The first one is direct variation. Then we have the inverse variation. We have the joint variation. And the fourth one is the partial variation. Okay, let's look at direct variation. Another word that can be used instead of variation, it is proportional, like I have it here, proportional. Okay, now direct variation questions come like this: A varies directly as B. Now if they don't want to say varies, they can use the word proportional. So the question will be A is directly proportional to B. So how do you tell that I'm dealing with a direct variation? You look at the word directly. There has to be that word inside of the question, because the huge issue is to distinguish between these four types of variations. Okay, the question goes on to say A is 5 when B is equals to 10. Find A when B is equals to 7. So we are tasked to find the value of A when B is now 7. So the first thing that you need to do, it is to convert this English phrase into a mathematical expression. So the statement A varies directly as B can be written like this: A varies directly as B. So this alpha sign, that's the sign for variation. Whenever you put this sign, it shows that we are dealing with a variation. So the sign is like this. It's like a fish. This one, like a wire fish. That's the variation sign. So this statement, as you are reading, it means A varies directly as B. But I cannot solve an equation when there is this sign in it. I have to remove this sign and put an equal sign. So it's easy as it sounds. I say A is equals to, but the moment I remove this sign and replace it with an equal sign, I then multiply whatever is on the right side with K. You see this K? I said K times B. K is standing for constant. So I'm now multiplying B with K. Okay. After that, I then have the equation. So you get a mark for that. That's why I ticked here. You get a mark for that. Now I'm now substituting in order to find K. That's your first step. You must find the value of K before you do any other calculations. So I'll just substitute with this first set of values. A is 5, B is 10. So where there's A, I'm going to put 5. Where there's B, I'm going to put 10. So a 5 is equals 10K. I divide by 10. I divide by 10. I'm left with K is equals to half. Now, since I now have the value of K, I then substitute it in the first equation. So it's now saying A is equals to half B. Okay, so I now have to answer my question, which is saying find A when B is 7. So where there is B in this equation, I'm going to put 7. So it becomes A is equals to half times 7. Then I simplify that, 7 over 2. Therefore, A is equals to 3.5 as a decimal. Thank you guys for watching.